Alright guys, what's up guys? It's your girl Jay. We back with another video. Y'all already know what's going on. So, oops. It's official, y'all. I am finally, for the first time, going to try a Chick Fil A spicy chicken sandwich. Never had it. Only thing I've had is their fries. Never had a sandwich. And I'm on my way to this job that I'm trying to get to go talk to the manager, but I'm like, I'm really hungry, so let me stop and get something. Ooh, it's hot. I like that. Chicken's not that crispy. Oh, I lied. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so now I got both of the sauces. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Before I do that, I gotta clean my hands. Even though I really did just wash my hands like a little while ago, but still. Okay, I gotta hurry up and make this quick. Am I recording? Okay. Now I gotta let it dry. Sure, goes up. Okay. So, I got Chick Fil A sauce and Polynesian sauce. The great debate begins. I'm gonna see. I really need to get these nails off. Please don't talk about me. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. That's giving me real sweet and sour vibes. Okay. Come on, Chick Fil A sauce. Let's see what this tastes like. This scares me already. Looks like mustard or something. Oh, it's thick. What? Oh, okay. No, I don't like that one. It tastes like barbecue. I knew that was gonna be okay. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my god, I haven't had fried chicken in a minute too. I'm gonna try a little bit of this sauce because I want to see what it tastes like on there. Was I supposed to get cheese on this? I feel like I don't know how the proper way to eat a Chick Fil A sandwich. I just ordered it. All right, first bite. Oh, the spice. The spice is kicking. Ooh, okay. The spice kick in. Okay, come on, Chick Fil A. The meat is nice and thick. Real chicken. Damn. Okay, hold on. Now I'm gonna try to. I still got sauce. I think next time I am gonna get cheese and like the works. Come on, pickle. It's different having pickles. Because I love pickles on my burger. I love pickles on my burgers, but it's different having a pickle with chicken. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Chick Fil A sauce on it. I don't know. It's giving me barbecue vibes, but let's see. I feel like this sauce should be heated up, like more liquidy. Rub it all in there. Mm. Oh no, I still taste the other sauce. You know what? Let me just go like this. So I think that's how people was doing it, dipping it. No, that's a lot. That's the whole bite. I mean, it's not bad. It's different. I'm trying to like it. Trying to find a happy medium. This chicken is really good though. I will say that. Come on, Chick Fil A. I think if I come here, I'm gonna have to always ask for both sauces, cause dang, I completely forgot about the fries. Ooh, and these fries could go in this Polynesian sauce. That's like sweet and sour sauce at McDonald's, but better. These fries not that fresh. I should have told them no salt. Y'all want to know a trick on how to get fresh fries? Ask for them with no salt. And then when they ask you what condiments you want, ask for salt and pepper. They be like, no, bitch, I want my fries fresh. Period. My mama taught me that. She always do that. Man, I was really hungry. All right, I'm out.